Hi all, I am Keerthana, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Management Studies PG. The topic which we are going to discuss today is about retail management, the overview of retail. Before stepping into the topic, the thing which we are going to discuss now is about barter system. In ancient days, we all knew that people used to exchange thing by getting some other thing. Since money doesn't come into the picture in the ancient days, without the use of money, people want to do something like if they don't have any product, if they want something from others, they used to exchange that product. Buying, for example, if I have a wheat and the other person has rice in his hand, I want rice and that person is in need of wheat now. What the ancient people did is they exchanged the things. There money doesn't play a major role. Once money came into the picture, the term called retail came into the market. Once the money came, people started exchanging things by getting money. People came to know that money gives more profit. Instead of exchanging things from one to another, they started buying things by exchanging money. Here now the term retail comes into the picture. Retail is nothing but buying and selling of goods. Usually we used to buy and sell goods with the help of money. If I want to buy something or sell something, in case if I am buying a product, I used to buy with the help of money. If I am selling a product, I used to sell it from my end and by getting money from the consumer or the customers. Now we are going to see about the supply chain which is involved in retail. First, usually if one product want to come to the customer's end, it will start from the manufacturer. Manufacturer plays a major role in the supply chain of any product. Without the manufacturer, the product can't be produced. So manufacturer comes into the first place of the supply chain. Next, the wholesaler will come into the market. What the role of the wholesaler is, the wholesaler used to buy a product from the manufacturer in bulk. Then the retailer used to come into the picture. Retailer used to buy the product from the wholesaler. Usually the wholesaler used to buy a product in bulk from the manufacturer and sell it to the retailer in a small quantity. Then the retailer's role is to sell the product in a small quantity to the customer or the consumer. This will be denoted as a supply chain in the retail management. Nowadays, instead of the wholesaler and the retailer, there is a direct connection between the manufacturer and the consumer. As we all follow, like we are used to online platforms right now. So directly the consumers nowadays or the customers are directly getting connected with the manufacturer, and the term called wholesaler and retailer is slowly vanishing nowadays in the market. This represents the ancient times or the old times, the format which the retailers or the wholesalers used to follow in order to buy the product from the manufacturer. These are the types of retail formats. Let's discuss one by one. Convenience stores. Convenience stores is nothing but the grocery shop. We all are used to grocery shops. Like if you want something urgently, for example, mom used to advise us like go and buy one shampoo and come immediately. What we used to do, we used to take 2 or 3 rupees in our hand and we used to rush out to the shop and we used to buy it and come and give it to the mom within 5 to 10 minutes. And not alone for shampoo, like many other products. Everyone, mostly the housewives or the moms, they used to take one bag and go to the shop in the morning, buy the vegetables from the retailers, and they used to come back to the home and they used to start cooking. Not everyone is fond of supermarkets, retail stores, everything, a supermarket or departmental stores. Some have a habit of buying everything in bulk and using it regularly. Mostly, majority percentage of the people, the consumers or the customers are fond of the convenience stores. Convenience stores is nothing but, as I said before, the grocery shops where the customers can get each and every product at a single store. Chain of stores. Chain of stores denotes, for example, if I am having, let us take example as a convenience store itself. If I have a branch of convenience stores or the grocery shop, and if I am earning many things, many profit from the convenience stores, what I used to think, the next step is opening another branch. If I am gaining more profit from the next branch, the next step will be the opening the third branch. So like this, opening the same branch of our own product will come under the chain of stores. Now we are going to see about the departmental stores. In departmental stores, usually there used to be separate space for each and every product. It is the next step of convenience stores. In convenience stores, every product will be there. It will be displayed inside the shop, whereas in departmental store, each and every product will have a specific place for it. So it will be very easy for the customers to go and search the product which they want particularly. They can refer all the other products, the alternatives which is there in the market. They will come to know about the alternatives, which will be very helpful for them to choose the best one which will be opted for them. Shopping mall is quite different from departmental stores. In shopping mall, there number of retailers will take place. There will be number of retail stores in shopping mall, and mostly the current trend, people used to prefer shopping mall because as we all know, there will be cinema theaters, game zone, and as well as if mom are going with their kids to shopping mall, they can leave their kids in the game zone and they can do the shopping peacefully. Or if not, if they want to do watch some movies or cinemas, theaters are also available in the shopping mall, where it is a single stop for each and everyone. In the current trend, that mostly the mom and dad, if they are going with the family, it will be a perfect place for them to do shopping in the shopping mall, as well as they have many entertainments as well. This is a different form of retail store. Discount store, as we all know, we are aware about Walmart. Nowadays in India, we are hearing a term called D-Mart. In D-Mart, usually if a retailer is selling a product for 50 rupees, in D-Mart we can get the same product for 45 rupees or 40 rupees. Here the term called discount plays a major role. If someone, usually the mindset of the customer plays a major role here. If customers came to know that if a same product is available at a different place with less price, obviously what we used to do, we used to urge out to the store and get the same product at a lower price. It will give a different level of satisfaction. So the D-Mart or the Walmart, they are playing a major role in attracting all the customers. Because of this, the term called retail, which we are discussing, which we have discussed before, is vanishing quietly in the market right now. So as the products, the customers can get the product at a lower price, obviously they will go to the discount store and get products in bulk, irrespective of going to the retail stores or departmental stores, etc. That's all for today's class. In the next session, we can see about the advantages of retail stores. Thank you.